It does not fit. Look at this. They are two different sizes. There is no way. So this here is a 2022 Rav4 LE hybrid, and this is a model that did not come with the blacked out emblem. So what I did is order them separately from Toyota, and this is what it is. It came in like 2 days, and I have it. So I'm gonna just break the box open. Some tape. All right. So this is what that looks like. We have everything laid out. We have all of these laid out pretty nicely. They're in their little, space. So that's pretty good. We have the Rav4 writing, the Toyota logo, LE hybrid, 2 of them, 3 of them, and all-wheel drive, 2 of them. Now you might be asking, there are 2 logos, one in the front and one in the back. This one is only for the back. I think the back of the front one has the radar sensor. Maybe that's why they don't have it, or maybe because it doesn't stick out. It's just like a drawing kind of thing. That's why they don't have it, but I don't know what the case is. This will cover every badge on the car except for the front Toyota logo. So let's get to the installation. I don't want to make the video too long and boring for you guys, so this is a part that I'm going to be doing, and then hopefully you guys can follow this and do the rest, and I'll be doing the rest just like this, so there's no confusion and we can get this in a short amount of time. So first, what I have in this little cup here are alcohol. This is basically what's gonna clean this up and make sure that we don't have any dirt or any wax or any kind of thing like that that can contaminate the surface and have our tape not work on this. Now the best part of using alcohol is this thing dries fast, so you shouldn't have any issues. And if you do, just wipe it off with a lint-free rag. I'm too lazy to get a lint-free rag, so I'm just gonna get this done by a paper towel. If you are using a paper towel, make sure that you don't leave any residues behind. I honestly kind of like the silver color, but I feel like blacked out looks even cooler. So here we go. This thing is all cleaned up. I'm gonna open one of these at a time as I'm using it, because I don't want them to get dirty or anything like that. So that's a pretty good idea to do. Let me just get close and show you guys what this actually looks like. So this is one of the all-wheel drive sign, and it looks pretty good. It's pretty, like, it's all hollow and it's plastic. This is the other side of it. It's just hollow and plastic, super lightweight, so they should not go anywhere. And I hope if I ever lose them or mess this up, I really hope that I find it and then I can put it back with more glue. But we'll see how that goes. I feel like this will hold very nice. So without talking too much, let's peel the tape off here. We're gonna grab by the blue tape here, and we're gonna go across all the way, and this is the glue that we have here. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, that looks dumber, honestly. Let me show you why I said that. So this is the badge. It's on right now. As you can see, they did not cut these out, like the space between the A and then the letters. And I was watching a video, someone was complaining, oh yeah, look at this, the cutout in the A on top here is not cut out, and then also in the 4, so it's basically, and then hybrid is even worse. Like, I don't know, what were they doing? Look at this. This plastic should not cost this much, especially because of the quality of this. Check that out. These are not cut out, so you're basically gonna see a blob of text, which looks pretty bad, honestly. That's one down. Let's go to the next one. in case I get oil transferred anywhere with my hand. So I just put gloves on just in case. But honestly, I feel like you're not gonna touch the glue at all, or anything that you should be concerned about, because these are hollow, so there's like less chance of touching them. So I think that's okay. I found a towel. Now this is looking way nicer. Okay, same deal. So this is the Rav4 logo here. We're gonna flip it, look for the edge, and then we're gonna take the edge and peel this entire thing out. Boom, there you go. Now we're gonna carefully line this up and push this entire thing in. Oh, there you go. Just push it in. The panel here is a little bit curved, so I just hold it down just in case it doesn't like stick to one part. I just want it to really nicely get in there. There we go, all good to go. Now I'm just wondering if the Blackout one is actually like this with the letters messed up like that. I actually have to go to the dealership and check one out, because this is nuts. This just feels like a third party doing this. Now this side is where we have the trim level and whether it's a hybrid or not. So if it's not a hybrid, it just says LE, but since this one is hybrid, we also get to do the hybrid logo here. Okay, here goes the LE. Wait, what? It doesn't fit. It does not fit. Look at this. They are two different sizes. There is no way. This thing is huge. It's a lot bigger. I honestly don't like how Toyota, puts this blue thing. I feel like this blue just looks cheap. It just makes it look cheap. I don't know, I feel like hybrid and electric things should be promoted a little bit more by just making them look nicer than regular cars. I've been driving this thing more than 450 miles and I'm still at half tank. This thing barely turns its engine on, and when it turns on, it makes the engine sound louder than it should be. Isn't that crazy? It just turned on as we were talking. That's crazy. I feel like this is the most satisfying part of this whole thing, just peeling stickers off. Before that, I want to actually check. Yeah, this one fits. The thing got me trust issues with this whole thing now. So this one is in two parts. We're gonna take the other part off, and here we go. This is the back part of it. We are gonna put it right on. Oh, come on, man. I wish it just blacked out the whole thing. That would have been nicer. I really don't want to see that blue. Yeah, I get it. Hybrid, yeah. But come on, that blue just makes it look ugly. Okay, let's bring it back. Remember I told you guys this thing has a bunch of hybrid logos? There were 3 of them. 2 of them are big. That means these are for the sides and this is for the back. See how I messed up there? I feel like we have an upcoming issue, but I'll talk about that in a minute. Now we still have 2 more hybrid logos left. One that we thought that was too big, and then also the other one of that size. But now the problem is nowhere around the car I can find that. Isn't that crazy? I feel like this trim, or maybe this car, doesn't have more hybrid logos. I feel like maybe some models do, maybe some vehicles do, and then this vehicle doesn't. I don't know why. And this entire thing is making me wonder if the blacked out emblem comes blacked out from the factory, or they just put covers like we did. Okay, so everything is installed except for the 2 big hybrid logos. I'm gonna give you a walk around of the vehicle so you guys can try to probably find it, because I sure can't. And I feel like I don't want to say something right now and then be wrong about it all over again. So I'm just gonna let you guys see it. That's the all-wheel drive. I can't bring the lights with me because they're wired and stuff. This is the front of the vehicle. There is nothing, I can assure you. There shouldn't be any logos like that. It should be like on the door or on the fender somewhere here. But even on this side, obviously, if it's on the other side, if it's not on the other side, it shouldn't be on this side. But yeah, it's nowhere to be found. I feel like those are for like another trim, or I don't even know. It shouldn't be. I mean, LE is LE, but I feel like some vehicles, they come with more logos, because I think I do remember some cars, they have it on the side, especially Priuses. So I feel like I don't know, maybe this car just didn't come with them. Isn't that crazy? Now we have 2 hybrid logos. I wish I could get a discount for this. Also, I don't want too many badges around my car, so I feel like that's a good thing that we didn't need those. Let me actually take you guys around the car and show you all the badges we did. This one is all-wheel drive sign, and then going out to the back, we did the Rav4 logo. That's the Toyota logo. On the other side, we did the LE and hybrid, the small hybrid, obviously, because the big one didn't fit. I wish we could have changed this thing up, but this logo is bigger than it looks. It is huge, and I feel like because the Raider is behind that thing, we can't cover that up. And I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But yeah, coming back to the other side, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys liked that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.